A very good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're watching from. So today we are at St. Kitts. St. Kitts. I want to take you through this beautiful land. Yeah, I see some sculptures here. I don't know where they for. It's a gentleman holding a rifle and then a sword on the other side. So when you turn around, there's another one here holding the same thing. Okay, I think there's some history behind that. So stay tuned as I take you through this beautiful land. Okay, St. Kitts. Hi. What's up, man? You got it? There we are. So I've done with my check-in from the port, from the check-in area. So I want to proceed with my journey.